Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box. What I've done is I've gone and bought a new jack, and this is one of those airbag jacks. They've been around for a good while, but I needed one for the shop. I had an old hydraulic jack that had failed, and it wasn't worth repairing. And so I saw this, and I thought, well, gee, they're pretty inexpensive, and so I just give it a try. I'll show you some of the features and what I think about it. This was some nice features. It has a roll around wheel and it has an adjustable handle. You raise it up and it locks into these little patterns that's pressed into the metal. And it's not meant to hold anything other than just to drag this around. And I thought that was better than some of these that I've seen. You just toss it under there and air it up. But anyway, on the controls, you have your air valve, and this lets it down. And there is no internal lock on this, so I highly recommend that you invest in some car jacks before you get under the vehicle using this to lift it up. So let's get it off the table and I'll show you how it works. Well, the handle has three positions. You got it down, like if you're going to slide it under a vehicle. And then, if you didn't need it quite so low, and then if you're going to store it, then it's up like that and the handle's out of the way. So I think that works pretty well. I was, actually that's why I got this one over some others. I'm gonna plug the air in, and it has a green valve and a red valve. Red valve closed, green valve closed. Start to open the green valve. And that air's up. That looks awful dang high. Woohoo! I have it all the way up, and I'm trying to, it'll raise 16 inches. So that's pretty good. It does what it advertises. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put it under the car and just kind of see how it works. Well, I have it under the differential of the Studebaker here, and what I'm going to do is start applying pressure upward, and I have it pretty much centered under the diff, so let's give it a shot. That's me kind of throttling the air to it. If I hit it fast, I think it'd throw it clean off the jack. But I tell you what, that's pretty good. It lifts it quick, and so I'm impressed with it. Will it be my number one go-to jack? Maybe not, but it's sure going to be something that I'm going to get if I just need to rotate tires, something like that. Something just to jack it up, easy to get the car up in the air, but be sure and put some jack stands under it. So what do I think about this jack? I think I like it. I'm going to use it a little between the Studebaker truck and some of the other projects around here. And may give you a little later review right now, but as long as you throw a jack stand under there once you got it up in the air, but that's just like with any jack, hydraulic or anything. But this thing's fast. You saw how fast it is, and it sure beats using a hydraulic jack, pumping it so much. So, yeah, you might give it a shot. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.